In this video, we'll be looking at these ScorpionEXO SGS Mark II motorcycle gloves. These gloves are made of goat leather, but on the back here we do have some carbon fiber knuckle protection, which is super nice. That's, really important. So that's very hard here without being too heavy, so we'd have that on both sides. On each of the fingers, we do have some rubber protection on the back. Look at the front here, we do have some more protection, but I'll go ahead and put them on first just to show you what they look like when they're on. So we'll start with the left one here. Very easy to slide on, of course, and then you just kind of, strap that piece on. Do the same thing with the other side. It gives you a good look of what they look like when they're actually on. One thing that's nice about these is that they do work with the touchscreen. Both of the pointer fingers on this kind of tip work with touchscreen, as you can see here. Unfortunately, not every finger works, just the pointer ones. So it is nice that you're able to, type out a text message or swipe through maps, that sort of thing, using the pointer finger of these gloves. Protection-wise, we have the carbon fiber I was talking about and the individual finger protection. On this thumb here, we do have some more kind of foam on both sides. And then on the pinky, we do have this other same foam. So if you're landing kind of like that, of course, that's really important to protect your pinky here. And then we have this skid plate on the side as well. We also have a skid plate on the palm on both sides. So if you were to land, one thing that can be very bad on motorcycles is that your hand gets kind of stuck on the ground and then you end up injuring yourself way more. But this skid plate will allow you to actually just kind of skid along the ground, so you'll prevent a lot of injury by having that skid plate there. So that's very important, definitely something you want to look for in a motorcycle glove. We do have reinforced palms and then the reinforced thumb as well, also to prevent it from stretching potentially too far back. So that will kind of add some protection there, not only for impact, but also just for the mobility of your hand, so on both sides. Gripping and everything, it is a little bit tight when you're first getting started with them, but they do break in really easily. This piece kind of moves to help you with gripping, and then we do have some nice ventilation on the back. So even if you're riding in summer or something, these are not too hot, thankfully. So they do offer a lot of protection without being overly hot. Throughout the whole glove, we do have some little holes and things just to, again, help with that kind of ventilation. So that is very much appreciated when you're riding in warmer months. I have used these in winter and they are a little bit cold, but I still think they're pretty fine. You might probably want proper gloves for real winter riding, but I would say these are pretty decent all-season gloves, so I'm very happy with them in that sense. Protection-wise, I haven't been in any accident yet, thankfully, but they do seem very well protective, as again, we have this full carbon fiber plate on the back here if you're landing on the back, and then I think these skid plates are very important. So definitely very happy with these gloves overall. I did get them in a size medium, and that would normally be a large, so keep that in mind. But they definitely offer a lot of protection. I think they look very nice, and they are really good temperature-wise as well, so I've been using them year-round without much issue. So yeah, I've been using them for a few months now. Of course, I haven't been in any accidents, so they're not too roughed up or anything, but they're still holding up well, so overall I recommend them.